What's up, everybody? It's me, Sir Charles. Just kind of wandering around my room. I think I'm missing something, but I feel like you have that feeling that you're missing something, but you just don't know what it is. And yeah, it's kind of the feeling I got right now. But it's 3 in the afternoon. And it's raining out, so you know I like to waste the day. I gotta go make credit card payment and then hang around my house and pretty much do nothing. Yeah. Fuck, I'm tired. I don't work today, so you know, wasting the day wasn't a complete waste, I guess. But yeah, continue on this journey. So it's about 2 hours after that last clip. Fuck you, Harley. Fuck you, Deaf Kid. We are going to pick up me mom's check. I gave her money so I could pay my Best Buy card because it's set up through her bank account since I do not have a checking account. I only have a savings. So we're going to go pick up her check so then she can put money in and whatnot. And then we're also going to go to Burger King. Me, Harley, Devin, and my mom. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So, Deaf Kid. Fuck off. Yep. To Burger King we go.
Saw, did you?
Saw. Look at those douchebag neighbors over there.
Fucking dick.
Hello.
What the fuck? What are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Jesus.
What?
Nothing. I'm just recording. Well, off to Burger King.
No, I have to get the check.
Off to get, well, yeah, I have to get the check, obviously.
Then cash it, and then we're going to Burger King, and then I'm gonna leave you.
I've already said that on the video, Mom.
No,
Do you notice how it's at 1:30?
Well, I don't know. You could have been jacking off for all I know.
On my goddamn YouTube? Okay, whatever.
I don't know. I don't like you right now. You're not getting Burger King. You get nothing.
That's it.
Get out.
It's a good thing that we got Barry Livingston. It's a good thing Barry Livingston sold us house insurance.
Goddamn murder. You didn't even take a bite.
$10.50 for a 6-pack, or for a 2-pack. But the cords are so small. No. I feel fucking dumb. Mother, what are you doing? Look, you just had to go down the other aisle to find a lamp.
I want one for my closet.
Tiny T, Deaf Kid.
Do these come without shades?
Do they?
Please display with shades.
No.
Dead.
Let's see if I can find a table up here. Fuck, I'm tired. Perfect.
Subscribe to CBR and join the notification squad to stay up to date on all of our new stuff.
Got my setup all good, exactly how I want it. Just need to get my new seat. I got a nice view of outside. And then I got my TV behind me, so all my G Fuel shakers. So I got my setup exactly how I want it now. So I'm in a room that I call my poop room, or as normal people call it, a bathroom. I don't really got much going on, so I'm just gonna call this vlog an end. Made my payment, went out to eat with the family. It was just a really short vlog. Moved my room around some more, did whatnot. So if you like this vlog, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Sir Charles out.